All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a trade recap for March 3rd and 4th for 2025. So I have, I think, three trades that I'm gonna go over, and I'm fully break even off of them. So I'll explain the trades I took, I didn't, and why I didn't take them, and exactly what happened. So this was yesterday. This is your 9 a.m. Eastern quarterly theory. People say this is the best quarter to look for a play. I agree to a point. Kind of just depends on the day, but I like looking at all three quarters or three of the quarters after New York Open. So from 9 to 1:30, I believe, for Eastern. Um, so yeah, we can clearly see we accumulate in this quarter. This is my sell side I have marked up, my buy side from that, and yeah. So this is like probably the best play of the week. I mean, this I'm like I want to put risk on this play. This is great. We manipulate under the slow. We have the PO3 and good buy side, good sell side, and you can see I don't think it was reacting out of a fair value gap, so that would have made it A plus, but this is still a really good trade. We have the momentum through this fair value gap, and I took it. Where did that picture go? Here it is. So I will just show you. With my executions. This is for my Twitter. You can see I took it, and you're like, why are you break even, right? Well, I'll show you exactly why I'm break even. So we have this fair value gap up here, untapped. So I'm break even, I'm break even off this fair value gap. So what did price do? So I'm entering off this wick, and price went like this, came up into this fair value gap, came back down. This is the end of that candle. Came back up. So, this is something that you're not going to even see when you're back testing, and this happened, in live time. And yeah, break even to me, ran literally to my TP and then reversed. So I'm like, Jesus, like that's just so unfortunate. But I mean, that's the model. That's the break even spot. It's just how it's going to be sometimes. And then I also took, or I didn't take, but there was also a 1 minute. Um, yeah, So you can play this as kind of a Judas swing or anticipate that. We have this fair value gap inversed, good momentum. This would be your fill, your stop loss above candle close above this fair value gap, and then this is just a good target. And yeah, so I would say I'd be break even here. But definitely when I see this wick come up and then come back down, I'd go with this internal low break even, but I passed on this because, I just watched it smack my TP and I made $0 off of it. And I'm like, I'm in an emotional state. You have to recognize that as a trader. And I was like, I'm not taking this because, I'm kind of looking at it as this could be a revenge trade. But no, mechanically, it was great. We swept buy side. You can play this Judas swing. And definitely leaving some runners for the end of probably 908. So we'll see where those runners would have put us at. So yeah, all the way down here for like 6R or something. But yeah, that's something I need to start doing is time-based runners. So, if this is supposed to be my manipulation and we're supposed to distribute and we're literally hitting my TP in the manipulation, we already Judas swung. It's not a bad idea to hold runners, and just until at least the distribution's over, especially during this quarter, because this quarter is supposed to expand so much at market open. So yeah, didn't take that trade, got broke even off some bull crap to me. Um, and then here we go. This was today. I need to go for a second actually. So yeah, this is the play. Accumulated quarter one, kind of expanded more than I want, but it's all right. We came on manipulated perfectly pretty much under the slow again, and I'm like, oh my God, this is great. It's not like it's reacting to a fair value gap or anything to make it A plus, but I'm still, I'm willing to put risk on the table. Kind of have relative equal highs. Good draw. Uh, so yeah, I'm like, okay, good reaction off that. That, it comes up. I'm waiting for the inverse, and then, bam. So I'm like, it's really unfortunate. Um, yeah. So no entry. Like this is the 30 second. This is a 30-second candle. Like probably one of the biggest candles of the day. Um, so yeah, that was really unfortunate. And then yeah, could have played this as another Judas swing, but it would have been break even. I didn't take that. So and then there was one decent play, and that was this. So the thing about this play is this would be your 10:30 Eastern. Accumulate quarter one. Manipulate under this their low, but it comes so kind of close to the sell side, kind of making it relative equal lows. So I wasn't personally interested in taking this, but there was great momentum through that candle. And if you took this, it's not a bad trade by any means. Your stop loss would go below this, and then you definitely would want to be probably targeting this and scaling some at this internal high, and then you would have got broke even for the rest of your position. Um, you can see, like it left this liquidity. So what is this? It becomes the liquidity, manipulates under, and then yeah, it distributes. So you can kind of tell like why. Like this manipulation, yeah, it manipulated under this low, but it wasn't like I don't know. I mean that's why I didn't take it because like it's not good manipulation, and you can tell because it retweets the low and then run. So those were kind of the trades that I've been seeing. And yeah. That first one though is definitely the best play out of all of these, which it's really unfortunate, but you know, you just gotta trade your model and whatever happens, happens. So hopefully you guys learn something from that.